Alright, so usually there is a red one, a brown and red one, and then a black and red one, and a blue and yellow one. Alright? You twist the black and red and the blue and yellow together, and then the brown and red and the red you twist together, and you can start it right up without an issue. I am doing basically the same thing right now. Oops, shit. Sorry. So, see the bottom here, earth, load, LED. You want everything but the earth. Like that. Yellow and blue, black and red, brown and red, and the red. Red and brown go together, the other two twist together. That's all it takes. I just put a simple 30 amp toggle in it. Oh, and if you touch your wires against any metal, or the pliers against any metal when you're touching these, you'll blow the main fuse, which is a bitch. It's underneath the back seat.